It is very late now. It is very late now.
Yes, Mama, I am sleepy. Yes, Mama, I am sleepy.
I do not feel good. I do not feel good.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
My chest hurts a little. My chest hurts a little.
Oh no! Sit down quickly! Sit down quickly!
I feel very weak. I feel very weak.
Daddy, are you sick? Daddy, are you sick? Your face looks pale. Your face looks pale.
I think I need help. I think I need help.
Mama, I am scared. Mama, I am scared.
Do not worry, baby. You are sweating a lot. You are sweating a lot.
I cannot breathe well. I cannot breathe well.
I will call the doctor now. I will call the doctor now.
Please call quickly. Please call quickly.
Hello, doctor. Please help us. Please help us.
Calm down. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened.
My husband has chest pain. My husband has chest pain.
Is he breathing normally? Let him sit comfortably. Let him sit comfortably.
Okay, doctor. Okay, doctor.
Does he have fever? Does he have fever?
No, but he looks weak.
The pain is getting worse. The pain is getting worse.
Doctor, please come fast. Doctor, please come fast.
I am coming right now. I am coming right now.
Thank you so much.
I feel dizzy now. I feel dizzy now.
Daddy, please stay awake. Daddy, please stay awake.
I will open the window. I will open the window.
Fresh air feels better. Fresh air feels better.
Daddy, here is some water. Daddy, here is some water.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, sweetheart.
Mama, when will the doctor come? Mama, when will the doctor come?
Very soon, baby. Very soon, baby.
I will be okay. I will be okay.
Please stay calm. Please stay calm.
Hello, where is the patient? Hello, where is the patient?
He is here, doctor. He is here, doctor.
Let me check you. Let me check you. Okay, doctor. Okay, doctor.
Your heartbeat is fast. Your heartbeat is fast. I feel nervous. I feel nervous.
Try to relax your body. Try to relax your body. I will try. I will try. I need to check your blood pressure. I need to check your blood pressure. All right. All right.
Your blood pressure is okay. Your blood pressure is okay.
That is good news. That is good news.
Please take this medicine. Please take this medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Here is more water. Here is more water.
Thank you. Thank you.
Daddy looks better now. Daddy looks better now.
Yes, he looks calmer.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Call me if needed. Call me if needed.
We will, doctor. We will, doctor. Everything is okay now. Everything is okay now. I feel better too.
I feel better too.
Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me.
We love you, Daddy. We love you, Daddy.
You should stay warm tonight. You should stay warm tonight.
This blanket feels nice. This blanket feels nice.
Daddy, are you comfortable now? Daddy, are you comfortable now?
Yes, I feel much better. Yes, I feel much better.
I am happy to have my family. I am happy to have my family.
We are always with you. We are always with you.